Later today, USDA will release its final production numbers for the 2023 crop year, but it will also provide an update on what remains in the bin. Ag Day's Michelle Rook joins us, and Michelle will also get some key numbers about South America's production right now.
Clinton, today will be one of the busiest report days of the year for the grain markets, with several major reports being released. So what is likely to move the market? Trade guesses indicate only minor adjustments to U.S. balance sheet, so traders are going to be watching closely those South American numbers and especially the quarterly grain stocks. USDA's annual production summary provides the final crop estimates for corn and soybeans for 2023. However, the average trade guesses indicate they aren't expecting much change.
There's probably not going to be a huge shock on yields, touch higher, touch lower. Probably not going to be much of a change on acreage, maybe a small tweak here and there. The demand side, same, small tweaks here and there.
On South America, analysts say USDA needs to come down on Brazil production due to the drought. They're above private estimates and nearly 6 million metric tons higher than CONAB on soybeans and over 11 million metric tons higher on corn.
Global production, the South American production numbers, in particular Brazil, those are too high from where USDA was in December, but they're not likely to get down as low as the private estimates.
The biggest surprise historically has been in the quarterly grain stocks, especially corn stocks.
It could be a big wild card because the proportion of on-farm storage versus commercial storage, and we've seen a real uptick in the cash corn basis recently.
Winter wheat seedings will also be released and are expected to be down from last year.
Winter wheat acreage, it's probably going to be down somewhere in the neighborhood of 800,000 acres to 1 million acres. And I think that everybody's kind of anticipating that.
Bearish reports have already been priced in, but Grady says with grain struggling to attract buyer interest, bullish data is likely needed to put in market bottoms. I'm Michelle Roy.